Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to fit SATA hard disk drive into external enclosure. The hard disk drive was meant for a desktop computer to go inside the case, but I wanted an external hard disk drive to plug into a laptop computer using a USB 3 lead. I received this hard disk for winning a competition. Normally when I use my computer and do videos, I store them on 1 terabyte portable USB 3 hard disk drives. I'll now show you what I did to make a 3 terabyte SATA hard disk drive connect as an external drive to my laptop computer. First of all, I had to buy the unit, which I did at Centrecom in Nuttawading in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. This picture shows the case with the cover partly open, exposing the SATA connection, and the inside of the cover shows a web which holds the hard disk drive in place. In the base of the external enclosure you can see the SATA connection. At the end of the enclosure you can see the off-on switch, a light, a USB 3 connection and a 12 volt DC power socket. This plug pack was included with the kit. This shows the hard disk drive laying in the base of the enclosure, and now I've pushed it left to insert it into the SATA port. After replacing the sliding cover, I applied sticky tape to secure the cover in place. Just remember to eject the hard disk drive before disconnecting power or the USB 3 lead. The instruction booklet could be 4 times bigger and still fit in the box. I hope you enjoyed watching how to fit SATA hard disk drive into external enclosure. If you have a look in the description under this online video, you will see YouTube links to other computer tutorials. Bye for now.